friends, it's time for story. So this is our story today. The title of our story is If You Plant a Seed. And the author and illustrator are Kadir Nelson. So when you look at the cover of the book, the very front of the book, when you look at this cover, what do you think the story is going to be about? You noticed that there's a bunny or a rabbit and a mouse? How about back here? Did you notice these? What are those? Maybe you noticed the birds? Oh, and I noticed something. I noticed down here, it looks like dirt or soil. And then, oh, look at this. It's a sprout. It's a plant that's starting to grow. Yeah, I really think you're going to like this story. But before we read it, let's get our bodies ready. Hands up, wiggle them out. All right, we'll sing. Open, shut them, open, shut them. Give a little clap, clap, clap. Open, shut them, open, shut them. Place them on your lap, lap, lap. Nice job, boys and girls. Everybody is looking ready for our story. If You Plant a Seed by Kadir Nelson. And I really think that you're going to enjoy the illustrations in this book. Has the story started yet? Nope. That's our title page. Now it has started. Wow. If you plant a tomato seed, a carrot seed, and a cabbage seed, in time, so it looks like they're planting them and they're waiting, with love and care, a tomato and a carrot and cabbage plants will grow. So here they have some tomato plants. The tomato plants are growing above the soil. Here's the carrot plants. Did you notice that you don't see the orange carrots? Do you know why? Because carrots are root vegetables. Carrots grow under the ground. You see, they're under the ground. So we won't see the orange carrot until we pull them up. And then this is cabbage. Does anyone know what cabbage is? It looks kind of like lettuce. This is a leaf vegetable. Do you know why it's called a leaf vegetable? It kind of looks like leaves all together, huh? It does. Oh, and look, the bunny and the mouse. It looks like they're enjoying some of the vegetables that they have grown. Do you think that they like their vegetables? Me too. I think they really like them. Their faces look happy. Oh, look at this. Some birds came down. The bunny and mouse are looking at the birds, and the birds are looking over at the bunny and the mouse. Why do you think the birds came down? Maybe they're hungry. Oh, they're looking. Those birds are looking. If you plant a seed of selfishness. Ooh, selfish. Oh, what does that word mean? What does it mean to be selfish? It means not sharing. Not sharing. And sometimes that can make people feel sad. Sometimes they could feel upset and angry. Oh, look at the bunny and mouse, they're not sharing their food. And how does that make the birds feel? Look at their faces. They look kind of mad. They do. If you plant a seed of selfishness in a very short time, it will grow and grow and grow. What is happening? Oh no, it looks like the birds are yelling at the bunny and at the mouse. He's sticking his tongue out? Oh no, that is not going to make anybody feel better. Let's see what happens. It will turn into a heap of trouble. Look at the bunny. It looks like he has tomato, and the mouse has tomato all over them. Look at their vegetables are all smushed in the ground. It's a mess. The birds have tomato seeds and tomato juice all on them. They were fighting. They were not being kind to one another. I hope that they can find a way to fix their problem. Do you think they can find a way to fix their problem? What could they do? Maybe they could share. Maybe. Let's see what happens. Oh, the mouse is holding on to the tomato. But if you plant a seed of kindness, look what the mouse is doing with the tomato. He's giving it to the birds. Is that kind? It is kind. In almost no time at all. So the birds, this bird right here is carrying one of the tomatoes. The fruits of kindness. Oh, boys and girls, look. The birds are holding bags, and in those bags, seeds are falling into all of this soil. Oh my goodness. Is that a kind thing that the birds are doing? It sure is. The fruits of kindness will grow and grow and grow. Look at, how do all of the animals look now in these pictures? How do they look now that they're all being kind? Do they look happy? Does it look like they get along? Yeah, it's fun to play with people that you get along with, isn't it? Yeah. Oh my goodness. Can you believe it? Look at this ground had all the seeds from the birds, and all of these things grew from the seeds. And all the animals worked together to help everything grow. And they are very, very sweet. So now all of the animals look like they're together. They're enjoying the food. They're eating. They look happy. It looks like they like being together. Do you think that they had more fun when they were selfish and not sharing? Or do you think it was more fun for the animals when they were sharing? It's more fun to share and to be around other animals or people, isn't it? I think so. Let's see. The end. I hope that you really enjoyed our book, If You Plant a Seed. But right now, my friends, it's time for us to say goodbye. So everybody put up your hands. Give it a little wiggle. Can you wiggle it back and forth? Oh, yes. All right, we're going to sing goodbye, okay? We'll say, goodbye, friends. Goodbye, friends. Goodbye, friends. It's time to say goodbye. Bye, boys and girls. I'll see you soon.